Hello and welcome to M02 videos. In this video, let us discuss Android localization. At the end of this video, you will be able to describe how to localize applications to different regions, discuss how to localize the strings used in the application. Android applications can run on different devices in various regions. To make your application more interactive, it should be able to handle the text, numbers, and files in various regions so that it can be appropriately handled in the locales the application is going to be published in. Localization can be defined as the way of changing string into different languages. Firstly, to localize the strings in the application, you have to make a new folder under res with values local as its name. Local will be replaced with the specific region. For example, a folder named values. It refers to a localization to Italy region. After the new folder has been created, copy the strings.xml from its default folder to the new folder that you have created. Change the contents of this new file.
I'm just going to show you how to change the language in the emulator. So here's to set a custom locale. You have all the languages that are available. So the one that I have it translated in is also Spanish. So I'm going to select it. You long press it, hit it apply. Now when I open up the app again, you'll see Me llamo Andres. And it's very simple to do. All you do is in your project, if you're going to be doing the translating yourself, create two separate values folders depending on your language. So this values right here's default is going to be English, and then this values ES is actually Spanish. So you create two of the exact same XML files right here. So your strings, and the English one, all I have is my string is Andy. My name is Andy. And in this XML, you have it here. You reference the same file name because in here, you have the same name here, but you change the text. So that depending on what language, what area your user is using it, it's going to change the text that's shown. And it's pretty easy to do. This is why it's important to use strings and not hard code your all your strings into the app, because this makes localization much easier. Now Google also wants you to use the services that they are advertising to you. So if you want to use that, it's very easy to sign up for. Basically, you go up. Here's your developer console under the APK tab. On the bottom it says sign up to try the service. When you click on that, you specify how many apps you want to translate, what languages you want it to translate it to. You select your current language, and you send your email, and you'll get pricing for several different services that will translate your app for you. What they do is they take your strings file in your regular folder, and they translate it for you and send you back the file with the new strings in it. I haven't tested it out, probably because it costs a little bit more than any of the revenue that I've generated from any of my apps in the store. But I'm probably going to be trying out the Spanish one in a little bit, as one of my apps has actually been downloaded in Spain. So I don't know, I guess to increase my presence, I can translate it in Spanish since I know how to do that. And I'll probably test that out and see how it goes. Anyway, so this is a real quick way to how to localize your app or translate it into native languages for your users. And hit up the comment section below.
Thank you for watching this video.